this is Cykaniki again. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to have a review of this Prestigio Ringlight. It's an 18 inches dimmable LED light, and these are the product claims. It says it is consistent flawless illumination. It is integrated with constant current drive and consistently emits light with 4,650 luminous flux. It has 180 degrees rotation tilt and adjustment, helps find the right angle for ideal lighting, sturdy with full mobility. It has also a dimmable brightness. It says that it has an excellent color rendering. So it also claims that it is powerful heatless lighting and a daylight balanced lighting conditions. It provides 5,500K temperature crisp white light for natural looking colors. Powerful heatless lighting equipped with 240 pieces top-notch quality LED lights while producing no heat output. Ring light also has two-way power supply, operates by SSW power when plugged or by easy to install rechargeable batteries. So let's open up, let's start the unboxing process. And inside of the box, I love it, there's a bag for the ring light itself, so it's very easy to carry around when you have a makeup gig. And inside of this there's a box and the LED ring light itself. Then let's open this box. So ta-da, here it is. These are batteries, 2 batteries for left and right, and the power cord. And these are the manuals, and this is a strap and a battery pack charger. It's the charger for the battery, of course, and the hot shoe mount and the holder for the phone. And these are the light diffuser, warm diffuser, the yellow one, and the white diffuser. So this is the ring light itself. There's a power cord, the stand, and the adjustable knob. And we're going to place the white panels as a diffuser, just like so. Okay, we're done for that. And then there's another box. I forgot to show it to you. It's the stand itself. Yes, just like so, you're going to pull it upward. I'm just showing to you how I set it up. It's super easy, but make sure you're following the right direction because I'm having a hard time on setting this up because it's my first time, you know. And ta-da, this is it. And let's try the light test. So this is the super light. My camera will adjust automatically, but yes, this is the lowest, again lowest, and then the highest. I already made 3 makeup tutorials using this LED light. It really makes my videos much clearer and crisp. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and leave all your comments down below and let me know what you think.